Good afternoon, everyone. It just rained heavily in Austin, so I tried to get out today, post-rain, to see if anything's out basking. Right here, just as I was about to enter the park, I saw this tiny Texas spiny lizard basking on this mound of dirt. So stuff's definitely out. Hopefully I see something else cool. So I've been to this preserve many times before. This is actually the first time I'm seeing this creek flowing. That's crazy. So the main targets today are two snakes, the coral snake and the hognose snake. I have a really good feeling about today since it's so humid out right now. Oh look, there's a Texas spiny lizard. Just basking on that log. But yeah, really hope to see those two snakes. And I'll let you know if I find anything else. Oh wow, this is actually kind of cool. That creek that was flowing earlier has just started flowing. It's actually going down the creek. So all this is empty right now. And right here it's flowing down. That's so cool. It's not every day you get to see something like that. What do we have here? Curious little white-tailed deer. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's three actually. There's that one that made the call earlier. There's one more back there. See the third one way back there. There's a western diamondback rattlesnake. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So I got it back onto the road and it just coiled up right here. Hasn't rattled or struck or anything at all. Look at that rattle. Alright, moved it off the road now because there's a car coming. Yeah, beautiful A-trucks to start the night. There's some storms in the distance, so hopefully we get to see something even cooler. Alright, next snake of the night, just barely getting off the road, is a tiny broad-banded copperhead.
Oh.
Snake is being very agitated. Or at least it was. It went back onto the road and came back. He's glaring at me. It's pretty cool this guy's still hanging around. Normally they'd bolt off the road. I guess it's a bit confused with all the lights. Alright, I'm gonna try to nudge this guy off the road so he doesn't get hit. He's not happy. Wow, he's just coiling up in there. I guess it's safe enough and it's far enough away from the road, so I'll just leave him there. Oh my gosh, this is the first snake of the day, and there's a coral snake. That is so crazy. It's like the one day I didn't bring my hook. Yeah, I really don't want it to get away. I need to get some pictures first. Alright, well I tried to get it out, but it burrowed into a hole somewhere, so that's really cool. That's the only snake we see today. I'm fine with that.